Follow the step on how to make a progress icon like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document, and you can follow this artboard size. Make a circle size of 350. Set to the center artboard. Make again a small circle. Fill color without stroke. Double-click selection icon. Set horizontal 100 and vertical 0. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D to repeat copy. Change the color. Go to Object, Blend and Blend option. Make sure set to smooth color. Next, select and press Ctrl-Alt-B to blend the object. Press A, select, and delete. Press V and select Object, Blend and replace spine. Make a circle again. Set to center artboard. Remove the fill color and set it to gray stroke. Set stroke number to 35. Right-click, Arrange, and send to back. Insert text and set the size in Properties. Double-click and select % only. Open more options. Set to small size. And set baseline shift. Right-click and create outlines. Make an ellipse for a shadow. Add feather effect. Finally, group all object. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.